Objective and use case. What you'll build. A digital revolutions per minute RPM meter that reads a mechanical quadrature encoder using a Lattice ECP5 FPGA, calculating rotational speed and displaying it in real time with sub-millisecond latency on an external LED bar. Why it matters divided by use cases. Low-speed conveyor monitoring provides independent verification of assembly line belt speeds with less than 1 ms latency, acting as a reliable low-speed shaft monitor. Manual crank divided by winch testing acts as a measurement aid to ensure operators do not exceed safe manual winding speeds. Utilizing almost 0 to 120 RPM on mechanical hoists or laboratory tensioners. Stepper motor tuning offers physical independent verification of actual rotational speed during low-frequency tuning, bypassing microcontroller software estimates. Hardware signal processing demonstrates crucial FPGA concepts including shift register synchronization, mechanical switch debouncing, 5-minute EIS filter, and fixed-time window frequency measurement. Audience: embedded hardware engineers and FPGA developers. Level: intermediate.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At Prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to Prometeo.blog and get started today.